Hello, I'm Brent Weaver, Senior Design Engineer and Director of Research and Development at Garrett Metal Detectors. I'm pleased today to introduce to you our new Garrett ACE Apex. Before I get too far into the technical details and capabilities of this fine machine, I want to speak to you a little bit about its name. As you'll learn throughout this presentation, there's a significant difference between this detector and its predecessors. In fact, there's barely a part in this detector that it shares with its ACE predecessors. However, we chose to carry on the ACE name for a very simple reason. For nearly 2 decades and several generations of ACE detectors, the ACE name has represented Garrett's long-standing commitment and dedication to providing our customers the most beneficial and effective features at the greatest possible value. In doing so, we have made ACE treasure hunters amongst the most successful treasure hunters in the world. And as a result, the ACE detector is by far and away the most successful metal detector in the world. This new Garrett ACE Apex is the pinnacle, or apex, of that long-standing commitment and legacy. Again, the Apex is a totally new design. Some of the new design features we'll discuss are the new lightweight, sleek case, which contains a rechargeable lithium battery. It also contains what we call multi-flex, multi-frequency technology, and we'll discuss that more later. Incorporated into the design is also a built-in Z-Link wireless system. We also include iron audio and a new iron volume adjustment. And in addition, we have an all-new lightweight double decoil, which will change the way you hunt. This detector contains all of those items plus many other features that we'll discuss in a moment. So let's start from the outside and work our way in. The new Apex comes with a very small, compact case, but it's full of technology and performance. It's also rainproof and comes with a very large LCD running nearly edge to edge, along with a very prominent, oversized digital target ID. The entire machine itself is also very light, coming in right at 2.5 pounds. But not only is it well balanced and light, it is also specifically designed to create nearly zero rotational torque at the ends of your swings. There are many detectors on the market that may be top heavy or they may be bottom heavy, which causes rotational pendulum action as you're swinging it, which leads to early fatigue. This detector is designed to provide none of that. We'll talk later about the technology that's contained within our new 11-inch Double D Viper coil, but it also is a lightweight design coming in at 13.5 ounces and is fully waterproof. As I mentioned earlier, there's not much this Apex has in common with its ACE predecessors. This is most evident in our new multi-flex technology. Multi-flex is our new multi-frequency technology that gives you the flexibility to choose from either the best single frequency for your operation or to choose simultaneous multi-frequency. Some of our competitors offer affordable detectors that allow you to switch between single frequencies, but this often requires changing coils. Other competitive detectors only operate in simultaneous multi-frequency with no other choice available. However, with the Apex multi-flex technology, you have the flexibility to choose whatever frequency is best for your current hunting conditions. And if conditions change, you have the flexibility to change the frequency. You can choose from 4 different single frequencies of 5, 10, 15, and 20 kilohertz, or you can choose from 2 simultaneous multi-frequency options. One option designed for normal ground condition, and another multi-frequency option designed specifically for saltwater beaches. When using one of the single frequency options, all of the detector's energy is focused at that one particular frequency, with low frequency settings optimizing the detection of large, high conductivity objects, and high frequency options optimizing the detection of small, low conductivity targets. The middle frequency options optimize the detection of a general range of targets. However, with the multi-frequency setting, the detector is simultaneously transmitting and detecting across the entire frequency range, thereby providing uniform detection for all target sizes and conductivities. In addition, the multi-frequency salt mode further utilizes the broad range of simultaneous frequencies to help cancel the negative effects of salt water. The new multi-flex platform also provides 8 independent frequency shifts or channels for each of the single frequency or multi-frequency options, thereby providing 48 different frequency settings. This gives you flexibility when operating next to other detectors, as is often the case at rallies or other detecting events. We've talked about the new multi-flex technology that's contained here within the electronics. That same technology extends down to our new Multiflex Viper coil. This all-new coil is designed as a low-impedance broadband system to accommodate the range of frequencies available with the Apex and the Multiflex technology. Therefore, this one coil can accommodate all of those frequencies without the need to ever switch coils. As a result of the broadband multiflex technology, this new coil is not compatible with existing ACE detectors, nor are the existing ACE coils compatible with the new multiflex platform of the Apex. We've talked about the coil and we've talked about the new multiflex technology. Let's talk about all the other features that make this Apex such a powerful machine. It has a large backlit LCD, and it has built-in wireless Z-Link technology. It also includes the iron audio feature, one of the most effective systems on the market for correctly identifying complex iron objects. In addition to that, we've also developed a new iron volume adjustment. Let me demonstrate that for you now. For this demonstration, I have two targets. One is an iron nail and the other is a coin. A lot of experienced treasure hunters recognize the value in being able to hear all the targets that are in the ground, including the undesirable iron. However, they want to have the ability to reduce the volume of that iron sound so that it's not so annoying, and they can reduce it to their preferred level. Now I'll demonstrate this iron volume adjustment. First is the coin, then the iron nail at full volume. Now is the coin again, with the nail at reduced iron volume. We've added a couple more features to the Apex, including an overall volume control, which not only affects the volume of the speaker, but it also directly affects the volume of your headphones. In addition, we've increased from a 3-tone target ID system to a 5-tone audible target ID system. Let me demonstrate that for you now. First is the low tone of an iron target. Next is the low-medium tone of foil. Here's the medium tone of a nickel. Here's the medium-high tone of a lead bullet. And the high tone of a silver coin. Another audio enhancement we've made to the Apex is combining proportional audio and binary audio into a hybrid system. Binary audio, as is found on the ACE, is very clean and simple and makes it very popular. In contrast, proportional audio, which is found on our more expensive detectors, provides additional target ID information, audible target ID information, but many people find it difficult to understand. What we've done here is create a hybrid version where it is a combination of binary audio for most of the strong signals, but the faint signals have a proportionality aspect associated with them, which helps give you additional target ID information without being confusing. The Apex also has a very fast target recovery speed, also known as reactivity. This allows you to separate targets that are in close proximity, which allows you to find more treasure amongst cluttered trash. The Apex also has high-resolution ground balance with 175 points of ground balance adjustment. This is the same range and the same resolution as our most advanced AT Max, allowing you to ground balance anything from ferrous ground all the way to saltwater. We've also designed the Apex to be one global version, instead of an international version and a US version. To do this, we provided 6 different discrimination modes, including 2 different coin modes. One coin mode specifically for US coins, and another coin mode for the variety of coins found around the world, including things from small bronze and gold to hammered silver, all the way to large silver medallions. While in US coins mode, a legend showing US coin icons will automatically display on the LCD. This new Apex is a game changer. It has the ease of operation and simplicity of an ACE detector, but it is full of new technology and features that are normally not found at this price point, all of which will help you become a more successful treasure hunter.